A disconnect exists between the rhetoric of AI efficiency and the operational reality of labor displacement. The chart illustrates a displacement gap, where workforce reductions, particularly in areas like customer service and software development, outpace AI's operational maturity. We are adopting what is defined as so-so automation. These technologies substitute labor without generating compensating productivity gains or creating equivalent new employment. This results in a productivity trap and accelerates labor market polarization. Financial incentives, not technological necessity, often drive premature layoffs. Executive compensation tied to short-term stock performance creates pressure for immediate headcount reductions, which are safer for executives than undercutting. This can lead to an incomplete assessment of long-term needs. The supposed efficiency of displacement is often an illusion. Cost savings from payroll reduction are frequently offset by long-term liabilities, like increased customer churn and complaint escalation. In fact, the cost to replace lost accounts can exceed headcount savings within 18 months. Premature automation erodes institutional resilience and innovation. Losing experienced staff leads to knowledge erosion, a resilience risk, and can slow innovation. For example, some firms reducing R&D staff post-AI saw significant declines in patent output and new product introductions. Operational risk intensifies as quote, survivor burden mounts. Remaining employees face expanded responsibilities and AI oversight without role redesign. This creates survivor syndrome, characterized by high stress and voluntary turnover, along with anticipatory stress about future displacement. Individual optimization creates systemic demand contraction. If productivity gains flow primarily to capital through labor savings, the economy loses the consumer base needed to sustain revenue. This creates a vicious cycle where firms cut costs, leading to decreased purchasing power and a drop in demand and revenue. Unmanaged displacement threatens social and regional stability. AI disruption simultaneously hits multiple urban centers and skill levels, unlike historical manufacturing decline. This creates distributional inequity, with gains concentrating among capital owners and disproportionately affects mid-career professionals. To balance automation, work time reduction must be treated as economic infrastructure, not a perk. The strategic view sees reduced hours as a macroeconomic stabilization tool and demand maintenance mechanism. Simulation data suggests that without it, AI-driven unemployment could exceed 15%. Pilot programs demonstrate that productivity can be maintained despite reduced hours. The Iceland public sector reduced hours by 10% with maintained or improved productivity. Similarly, New Zealand's Perpetual Guardian implemented a 4-day, 32-hour week, sustaining output levels while reducing turnover. Optimal performance emerges when we redesign roles for human-AI complementarity. This involves AI handling routine processing while humans retain judgment and contextual interpretation. For instance, in one case study, radiologists focused on complex interpretation, leading to improved diagnostic accuracy and stable employment. Managing transition through procedural justice and support mitigates risk. A responsible transition framework includes advance notice, transparent criteria based on rigorous task analysis, and investment in capability building through retraining. This support significantly improves the employment outcomes of affected workers. Policy frameworks must coordinate the transition to level the competitive playing field. Key policies include gradual standard reductions in work hours, adjusting overtime thresholds to incentivize hiring, short work subsidies like Germany's Kurzarbeit, and tax incentives for work-sharing arrangements. History provides a precedent for stability, the shift to the 5-day week. This move was driven by recognizing that workers needed leisure time to consume manufactured goods. AI offers the same opportunity to update our economic operating system for the 21st century by distributing productivity gains. The choice is between systemic instability or managed transition. Unchecked AI displacement can widen inequality, leading to demand collapse and systemic crisis. Structural recalibration through reduced hours and shared work leads to sustained demand and broad prosperity. We must manage this transformation.